Hey y'all, welcome back to Mrs. Lynn's Cooking. Today we're going to make portobello stuffed mushrooms. I have one up, but I have a different recipe as well that I want you to try. You're going to need to get some, I've got quesadilla cheese, mozzarella will work just fine too. And then we have shredded Parmesan, Worcestershire, portobello whole mushrooms. We have Jimmy Dean's sage sausage. You can use any kind of sausage you have, but I prefer this. And then I've got about a half a pound of ground chuck. Okay, the first thing we've done is I have mixed my sausage. Just take it out of your package and break it up into a pan. And I mixed the sausage with the ground chuck or ground beef, whichever you have. And we're going to get this fried up and get it into small crumbles. Okay, the sausage is about done. Just make sure your sausage is well done along with your ground beef or ground stuff or sirloin, whichever you have. And what we're going to do is after we do this, then what we're going to do is we're going to transfer it over to a paper plate with some napkins on it to drain it off. Okay, at this point, my sausage and my ground chuck is just about done. And with my sausage and ground chuck, I'm going to try to get it crisp up a little bit because there's nothing no worse than meat that's not fully cooked. So make sure you just crisp it up a little bit and let it sit there and, crisp up. Okay, we've got our sausage and our ground beef done. And what I did with the portobello mushrooms, make sure that you take them to the sink in cool water and rinse them off really good. Take the stems out of the middle and pat them dry because you want them dry. So right now, we're just going to start putting in our ground beef and our sausage. I'm just going to put it in there and pile it as high as you want. And if someone is on a carnivore diet, this is a really good recipe. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Worcestershire and I'm going to sprinkle it over. Put a liberal amount on there because this is going to make your mushrooms soft. We're going to put a liberal amount of Worcestershire. Then we're going to take, and I'm going to take the queso cheese. And then I'm going to put some queso cheese over it. And for carnivore, you can eat as much cheese as you like. And also, we're going to take our Parmesan cheese and put over the queso cheese. Excuse me. Okay. And we're going to do like so. And then just repeat this process till you get it all filled in. Okay, this is our mushrooms once we put our meat and our cheeses on top of it. And pile it up as high as you want or as less as you want. Now I'm going to take this over to my toaster oven because it does air fry. And I'm going to air fry this for about 10 minutes at that. What I'm wanting to do is I want to get a little bit of a crust on top of these mushrooms. Okay, it's been 10 minutes out of my air fryer. We had it in there for 10 minutes on 400. The reason it looks a little bit burnt is because of the Parmesan on top. But that's the way I wanted it because I wanted a little bit of crunch to it. So if you like my video, please like and subscribe.